What is up, people? This is Ron Kamli, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today is going to be fun because from the last time I did the Nike video, I have got a lots of DMs and a ton of comments asking me about Nike Court Vision Lows, and that is a really beautiful sneaker, and a lot of you guys asked me to unbox it, review it, and something like that. So yes, then I had to do it, and that is the reason we are going to unbox a Nike Court Vision Low today, and I am really excited to show you guys that sneaker because it is in triple white colorway. It looks beautiful. I'll show you the sneakers first and then we'll talk about it. So yes, let's not waste any of the time and let's start with the unboxing. So now getting into the unboxing, here is the package. It is from Ajio, as you can see, and here is the box. And you might be thinking like, why it looks like this, why it is like this weird box. So yes, Nike are trying to remove the waste, like they are not using plastic and stuff like that, and they are using some recycled materials on the sole and on different things. So yes, this is one of those edition sneakers where they have used 20% of recycled material. So here on the box you can see Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sports. You can see this here, and you can see it is in US 8, and by mistakenly I have got a US 8 and not a UK 8. So yes, that is a wrong size, that's not my size. You can see Move to Zero written here. As I said, they are trying to reduce the waste. So here are the sneakers. So this is Nike Court Vision Low in the all white colorway. So as I said, this is Nike Court Vision Low in the triple white colorway or the all white colorway, you can say. And just tell me this is not fire. And this looks exactly like really similar to Nike Air Force One, and a lot of you guys must be thinking that too, because when I saw this sneaker, when I opened the box, and I was like, wow, it looks really similar to that, and it is at a very good price. I got it for a very good price. So watch this video till the end because we are going to talk about its material, its pricing, its size, and my personal opinion on this. So yes, watch this video till the end, and before starting with that, please do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, because we are very close to 3500 subscribers now, and I am like aiming towards that right now. So yes, please do subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, and share this video, like this video, do all that good stuff as you guys always do that. And now starting off with the materials they have used on the sneaker. So you can see it is a all canvas upper. It is not a leather sneaker, and firstly I thought it will be a leather sneaker, but yes, it is not a leather sneaker. It is fully made out of canvas upper, and they have this leather swoosh here, this one, and this leather back tab which has Nike written here. Yes, it has Nike written there. Then we have the nylon tongue here, which is soft, pretty soft. It is like not that thin or not that thick, but it is on that medium ground, so it is good. And then we have this recycled Nike symbol here. If you can see, I'll show you some detailed shots of it. But yes, the triple white colorway looks very clean, like it looks great, and I really liked this one. But unfortunately I got it in the wrong size, and damn it, it was not that great to have a wrong size sneaker. So the most interesting thing about this sneaker is that it is made out of 20% of waste. So the outsole, you can see this is made out of waste. You can't see this like this, but I'll show you some detailed shot of this, why it is made out of waste, and you'll then understand it because it has some different texture on it and some different colors of blue and stuff like that. So yes, it is great initiative by Nike, and as you guys can see, they don't have the extra paper inside here. This is the bill and nothing else we get with this sneaker. And we don't even have that plastic thing which ties the tags with the shoes. So it is like this, you can see this one. it is tied with the shoelaces. So yes, they have reduced all the plastic waste from this sneaker. It doesn't even come with a cardboard shoe tree which comes inside this, or the extra paper you get inside the shoes. It doesn't come with that as well. So yes, they have reduced all the extra waste from the sneakers, and that is a good initiative. I really liked that. And coming back to the sneaker, they have this mesh sock liner here. You can see this. I'm not a big fan of this mesh sock liner because they are not very pleasant to the feet, but yes, they look great. And there is no other detail on this sneaker, but the build quality is great, like really good. There is no factory flaws, some stain or something like that on this sneaker. So I really liked that, because a lot of time people do tell me that they have got some sneaker with some stain and some stuff like that, but fortunately this sneaker doesn't have any of those. And as it is a white sneaker, it would have been a mess if it would have come with a stain or something like that. So thank god it is not, and I really liked this sneaker. And talking about the sizing, please go true to size, because this is a UK 7 and I am a UK 8, as you guys know, and this doesn't fit me that well, so you should go true to your size. And before talking about the price, let's see a quick on fit of this sneaker, because I am really excited to show you guys how they look, because they are like really clean, and we'll talk about it later, but quickly let's see on fit. So I hope you guys liked the on fit of this sneaker, because I really loved it. And this is the sneaker you really need to have, like really need to have, because this is the sneaker you can wear with anything, like anything you can imagine of, like from blazers to the shorts. You can wear it with anything you can like imagine of. And talking about its comfort, it is like good, but it is not that uncomfortable sneaker, it is not that great comfortable sneaker. It is in the middle, right in the middle, and I can give it like 6.5 or 7 out of 10. So yes, you know that it is not bad, but it is not for all day wear. So yes, you need to keep that in mind. So yes, as I already said, you can like really wear this with anything, like anything you can imagine of. I can really wear this with this as well. You can see it will go with anything. And talking about the price, this is the most important part of this video, because I got it for a great deal. This sneaker retails for 6,000 something like that, I guess. Yes, it retails for 5,995 rupees, and I got it for 3,700 rupees, something like that. And you can get this sneaker for 3,700, 800, sometimes 4,000 rupees, sometimes 3,500 rupees. So it fluctuates with the price. On Ajio you can get some great offers sometimes, and sometimes you won't. So yes, look for the correct opportunity you can get it for, and then grab this sneaker, because I really loved it. You can get it for 4,000 as well, and you will still love it. And you can get it for 3,500 as well, and then you can like really enjoy it. So yes, I really liked this sneaker. It is great, like really great. And guys, one more thing I just want to tell you guys, that a lot of you guys have asked me to do a review on Court Royal, Court Legacy, Court Vision. So I'm thinking like doing a comparison video of these three. So yes, please do let me know if you guys want to see a comparison video of them, because I really want to do that comparison video, because that will be great and that will be fun as well. And even I'll get to know different things about these sneakers when comparing them side by side, and even you will get to know everything about the sneaker. So yes, it will be fun. If you guys want me to do that, do let me know in the comment section. And yes, that is it for this video. Do let me know if you guys like this sneaker or you don't like it, because I really loved it. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video guys. See you next time in the next video.